The BaseLinker system allows you to send email and SMS messages to clients. In addition, in each order, we can add a comment visible only for the system operator. Communication can take place in many ways. The first way is to send messages directly from the order card. Below the tab, we have a message exchange section. We can choose a predefined message template, define the type of message, whether it should be an email or an SMS, the subject of the message and its content, and the email account. Below, we also have a sending option. Here we can specify how we want to send this message to the client. It can only be an email message, it can only be a message on the order page, or it can be a hidden message for the customer, that is, a message for the seller. Let's choose the commercial document template. The template uses commercial document attachments here. Below, we can select an email account. Let's send. As you can see in the message exchange, we have information about the time the message was sent. Let's check our email. The message has been sent. We also have information about the sent document, that is, the attachment correctly reached us in the message. On the information page, we also have information about such a message due to the fact that we have chosen the shipping option along with the information on the customer information page. Another sending of the message can be a message sending without a template. So, in this case, we enter our content that we would like to send to the client. Let's set the option to send as email only. We send. In our message exchange section, we have the information that the message has been sent but is not visible on the checkout page. Let's verify it. As you can see in the message history, there is no such information about this test message sent to the client. Another communication option is the ability to send the message in such a way that it is a message only for the seller. In this case, it may be comments to the order or some longer content that we would like to convey. Such a message is displayed in orange and is not visible to the customer in any way. On the To Be Confirmed information page, as you can see, we only have one message at a time. Let's move on to writing the message again. This time, let's send an SMS to the client. We choose the content of the message. We send. We have a green message from the integration that the message has been correctly sent as an SMS message. In addition, on the information page, we have information that the message test as a seller has been sent. The customer can send us information from the information page as a comment, as information for the order. In this case, at the very bottom, we can allow him a form. He chooses the subject of the message, let it be, for example, delivery address. Let's enter some sample content. We click Send Message. In history, this message is already there. Here, posted. Let's go to the Orders tab as a seller. And as you can see, in blue we have a comment from the client. In this case, it is a comment posted directly on the information page. We have the option here to redefine the delivery address according to what the customer has communicated via the information page. Another way of communication is through the list of orders. We can then send information in bulk. We can do it through our own event, that is an automatic action that we have launched. In this case, such activation of the automatic action of our own event on the educational account will send an email to the customer that the order has been canceled and additionally change the order status to canceled. In the history of automatic actions, we have information that the automatic action has been performed correctly. That is, sending an email. Another way to communicate with the customer is the possibility of mass sending email messages to the given orders. We mark the orders. We choose Send a Message and choose a template to be sent to the client. Let's choose Refund Approved. Let's go to the order. In the Message Exchange section, we have information that the message has been correctly delivered to the client.